basura.
naman.
Ilagay mo doon sa papel.
Kaya!
Please ka dyan. Huwag kang makialam ha. Papatayin ka! Ano? Sabi, buksan mo yan. Buksan mo yan.
Papatay mo ako, Chris. Papatay mo ako, Chris.
Literal papatay.
Iibahin ko na sa akin na. Para maano nila.
No, just leave those. That's easy.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. For your knee.
Oh, sige. Maliligo.
Wait, what? Don't.
Put it on top.
Oh, everyone's here.
Doon, lahat ito para sa'yo. Ayun. No.
Hindi kasi, was mo, ano, baka tatawagin ako sa counseling.
Uy, tinawag ka na kagabi, di ba? Tinawag ka ba kagabi? Hindi.
None. Wala.
Sabi sa akin pala. Diba, ano sinabi ko sa'yo last week? Sabi niya, we'll cross the bridge when we get there. Sabi niya, baka hindi mo ata naiintindihan. Ano man sabi, pang ilang probationary mo na, sabi ko pang 5. Sabi niya, so ano sa tingin mo, alis ka na ba o hindi? Sabi ko, sana hindi. Sabi niya, ang pagiging probationary list, isang taong bayan yung mag-vote para sa'yo. Sabi niya, so pang ilan mo na yan? Sabi ko, 5 ko na. Sabi niya, so malinaw na ba?
So it's how many times you're in the voting public?
Bakit? Bakit?
Bakit?
Bakit? Ano ibig sabihin?
Bakit?
You have to be in the voting public 5 times before you're leaving.
Ay! Naisip ako.
Ayoko nang hayaan yun.
This is your third only, right?
Third? Yeah. Ala, vocal fry.
Sige, nalimutan ko ulit eh. Naisip ko
Put
na.
scholar like this.
You're holding on to me, pe!
Scholar. I was almost dying.
Yeah, I know. And I was laughing because it was so cute.
It was so cute. Ah, namamatay si Chris. Ang cute. Wow.
Yeah, because... How can you die when you already vomited the banana?
Note lang.
Delikado ka pala. Wala na. Sabi ko pa naman may pag-asa ka sa akin. May age talaga ko po.
Ayaw nga pala, no?
Hindi ako maasa doon.
Masanay ka sa lahat.
Sinabi ko na eh, pero sige.
Because girls like you were liars.
Ano lang, ako lang. Ako nga eh, ang Coco, Q-O.
The only trustworthy girls here, like...
Ako, A-Q.
Okay,
And boy.
some people akala K lang.
Dili mo sa ano na
Akala ko.
Kala, K-La. K-L-A.
K-L-A.
Oh,
kala.
Malis sa kama, oh. Ulit pa. Oh, blankie ko!
I'm Buttman. Buttman.
Buttman.
Tama ba spelling mo?
Buttman.
Buttman.
We're going to get mommy bed.
Buttman.
Naku, wait lang.
I think a water bit. It's like she's answering a quiz and she's looking for...
Susan Candy.
No way!
Huwag yung ubusin chocolate ah.
Lollipop. Bubbles.
Oh, these are good. The milkshakes. All time. Oh, Lizelle wants a lollipop. Boy, pumunta ka sa counseling room!
Orange. Check. For slippers, rubber shoes, perfect.
Boy, pumunta ka sa counseling room!
Yeah, candy also, sis.
Inulit lang.
Akin kay kanina.
Oh my God, bubbles!
Bubble.
Chocolate.
Bubble.
Here's the third. My name is Bubbles. I'm the new fashion designer.
Ow!
Did you watch Producers?
How do you look?
You watch Producers?
No, I haven't seen.
Thank you,
Mr.
Nate.
Producer.
Naiwan din naman ni Mami.
Apat na lang kayo.
The producers, the musical.
Diba?
But how do we look, Mr. Bubbles?
The movie.
Kay ano, kay